So now let's see the next part, that is we have to create a nut with given dimensions. So let's create a new file. Click OK. Select any plane. Let's select YZ plane. Click on sketch, and we have to create a hexagon here. Let's give dimension from this corner to this corner, and it is 10 mm. Click on constraint, select this axis, select this point, right click and make it coincidence. Okay, so we have this point in line with this axis. Okay, now create a circle and give a dimension of 4 mm. Exit the workbench. So click on pad, select the sketch, make it 5 mm, preview, click OK. Now let us create this profile. So for that, the important point is selecting the plane. Now we have to select a plane in such a way that we are able to see these 2 points, or we can see we are able to see these 2 phases. So in this case we will select ZX plane, click on sketch, and we can see this 2 phases we are able to see. So now let's create a triangle from this point. Let's give the dimension, make it 45 degrees between these 2 edges. Let's edit. Here we have to select the sector. Once we select the sector 3, we have a dimension here. So we want 45 degrees. Now we want to fill this gap. Okay, so click on this constraint, select this point and select this point, right click, click on coincidence, come out of the workbench. Now select groove, click the sketch and select the central axis, preview and OK. So we have successfully created the nut. Let's save it, Ctrl S, and let's rename to nut. Click OK.